don't know what Christmas is all about.
Okay. I got some chicken wings inside some chicken broth. I'm gonna season it with slap your mama, black pepper, adobo, and complete. And some garlic salt. Here's my chicken all seasoned. I got it in the chicken broth. I added 2 chicken cubes. Now I'm gonna let this cook. There's my chicken, my green peppers, my onions, and it's cooked in chicken broth. I also added some cayenne pepper and crushed red peppers to my noodles. To my chicken, my green peppers, and my onions. And here's my water for my noodles. So basically, I'm making chicken and noodles. My chicken is basically done. I just was cooking until it fell off the bone. So a little more. I'm doing like pieces. So a little more. I might add a little more chicken broth, but it'll cook a little longer. Look, guys, I added some string beans to my chicken. Might look crazy, but I think it's gonna taste so good. Added some string beans to my chicken. There's my chicken and my string beans. And I also have onions and green peppers in there. So that's done. So you guys can see. Let me get close. Here's my noodles. They're done. Okay, I'm gonna put some butter in it. Put this in the tray. That's the butter. And I got my noodles. Don't follow me. I'll put some noodles in here. And then I'm gonna season the noodles. Then I'm gonna add the chicken. It's gonna be so good. So I'll be back. So I'm gonna use some black pepper for the noodles. And remember, the butter is already in there. Use a little bit of garlic salt. Not a lot. I don't want it too salty. And a little bit of adobo. And you're gonna mix it all up. I always do this separate. I don't ever cook my noodles with the chicken. I just do this separate. That's so the noodles can have their own flavor. You mix it all together, it's so good. So I'll be back once I fix the plate. So now if y'all look in the pot, I just mixed everything together. Here's the chicken broth. Might look crazy, y'all, but it's really good. It's a meal that you won't be hungry after. See? And I got some more. Got my string beans and my chicken, my onions and green peppers with my noodles. And it was all cooked in chicken broth. So that's what that is, chicken broth. It's not water. And you add the chicken broth. And mix it together. And watch they like it. Who was this? This was you?